Now see this type of question, convert decimal to binary 0.35. Here before means we have numbers after decimal. So this is called decimal fraction. So how to convert decimal fraction to binary number? So here the procedure is completely different. So we'll solve using this example. I will explain you how to convert decimal fraction to binary. Decimal fraction to binary. Okay, by this I will explain you by taking example. So this 0.35 I have taken as an example. So first step is, in the first step what we will do, see the base of binary number is 2. Okay, this is base 2 number system. So we'll multiply this. In previous question, in simple number, what we used to do, we used to divide by 2. Okay, but here in decimal fraction we'll multiply the given number by 2, right? So first, and whatever the carry that we will write. So first 0.35 multiply by 2. So when you multiply 0.35 by 2, we will get 0.70. Okay, here carry means if you get any number here in the integral part, integral position, whatever the carry of here in this integral part position, that we will write here. So no carry. Okay, suppose if we get 1.7, then we will write 0.7 and this 1 will write as a carry. So here no carry, so 0. Now the next is 0.70. Again we'll multiply this number by 2. So when you multiply this number, you will get 1.40. Okay, so we'll only write 0.40 and this one we will write here in the carry with a carry of 1. Now again multiply 0.40 by 2. So 40 multiplied by 0.40 multiplied by 2 will get 0.80. Here no carry, so 0. Now again 0.80 multiplied by 2, right? No carry, or carry because we will get 1.60. Okay, 1.60. So 1 we will write here and 0.60 we will write here. Okay, the next 0.60 multiply by 2. So here when you multiply, you will get 1.20. So 1 we will write here and 0.20 we will write here. Similarly 0.20 multiply by 2. So when we multiply, we will get 0.40 with a carry 0. Okay, so this above process is continued till the desired accuracy is achieved. So now the process is in continuation. Okay, so now we'll start reading from here. We will start reading from top to bottom. Okay, so 0.35 in the decimal expansion can be written as 0. Now write this number from top to bottom. 0 1 0 1 1 0. So this is binary representation of 0.35. Now see one more example with mixed numbers in decimal system to binary.